The Terrason plastic repair kit can quickly and easily fix damage to the bumper, for example. In our case, we have a hole and a crack in the bumper. First, clean the damage thoroughly with Terrason VR10. For the next step, put on cut-resistant gloves. Drill using a milling cutter. This way you optimize the deformed body damage and remove defective material. To reduce tension in the bumper, connect the two defective areas using the air saw. Then continue with the finger sander. To provide an ideal material transmission, sand the damaged area in a V shape. Now it's time to sand. Remember to wear a mask for the next step. Now use sandpaper with a grain size of 120 to 150. Sand the damaged area with the sander, inside and out. After sanding, clean the repair area again, inside and out, with Terrason VR10. Then on the front and back, apply a thin coat of Terrason UP320 primer. Then cut out a piece of mesh. Make sure that it fits well on the inside repair. Check that the size is correct. If so, prepare the cartridge with Terrason PU9225 adhesive. Put the adhesive in the cartridge. Before you start, check that both substances come out evenly. Everything is okay here. Then put on the mixing tube. Press the two adhesive components through the mixing tube. It is important that the adhesive mixes. You can then apply it to the problem area. Now put on the mesh and press it down with a brush. Now apply more glue. Using the brush, spread it on and around the mesh. Then allow the adhesive to dry. The drying time varies depending on the material's thickness. If you want to speed up the drying, you can also use an infrared heat lamp. The front side of the bumper is next. Again, use the cartridge with the adhesive Terrason PU9225. Apply the glue generously onto the repair. With a spatula, you can distribute the adhesive over the entire surface. Again, the material must first dry before you can proceed with the repair. Using the sander, sand the repair area and smooth. Clean the surface with Terrason VR10. Finally, apply a thin coat of primer. Now the bumper can be painted according to the manufacturer's specifications.